Magandang araw mga bata. Our topic for today is about how to reduce fraction to simplest form. So, what is fraction? Fraction represents a part of a whole. It is a ratio of two numbers. Parts of fraction. The upper part is the numerator, and the lower part of the fraction is the denominator. Reducing fractions. To reduce a fraction to its lowest terms, divide both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common divisors. Example, 6 over 10. The 6 over 10 can divide by 2. So 6 divided 2 is equal to 3. 10 divided 2 is equal to 5. So the lowest term of 6 over 10 is 3 over 5. Okay, magbibigay ako ng another example. Example number 2. Reduce 15 over 50 to simplest form. 15 over 50 is equal to, the solution is 15 over 50. So, i-divide ko siya. Yung 15 at saka 50, mag-iisip ako ng number na both na common na pwede kong i-divide. So, ang pwede kong i-divide is 5. So, parehas na i-divide ko yung 15 at saka 50 sa number 5. So, 15 divide 5 is equal to 3. 50 divide 5 is equal to 10. So, the lowest term of 15 over 50 is 3 over 10. Kaya magbibigay ako ng another example number 3. Reduce 12 over 36 to simplest form. 12 over 36 is equal to, tingnan natin ang solusyon, 12 over 36. Divide by 12. So, yung 36, i-divide ko rin siya sa 12. So, 12 divide 12 is equal to 1. 36 divide 12 is equal to 3. So, the lowest term of 12 over 36 is 1 over 3. Example number 4. Reduce 30 over 45 to simplest form. 30 over 45 is equal to, let me see the solution. 30 divide and 45 divide, what number? 5. So 30 divide 5 and 45 divide 5. So 30 divide 5 is equal to 6. 45 divide 5 is equal to 9. So, hindi pa yan ang lowest term. So, mag-iisip pa rin ng number na pwedeng i-divide sa 6 and 9. So, ano pwedeng i-divide? 3. So, i-divide natin both yun ng 3. 6 divide 3 is equal to 2. 9 divide 3 is equal to 3. So, the lowest term of 30 over 45 is 2 over 3. Okay, naintindihan na ba mga bata kung paano ang lowest term? Okay, salamat.